Welcome to the ultimate guide on 4K IPTV today. Firstly, let's understand what IPTV is and why it's revolutionary. 4K resolution delivers superior picture quality that's crisp and vivid. Today's video is sponsored by www.2tv.store, the best IPTV provider. To get started, you'll need a few key components first. Make sure to use a compatible streaming device for your setup. Next, connect your device to the internet and download the IPTV app. Once installed, enter the settings and configure your preferences. Troubleshooting common issues involves checking connections and configurations. For optimal performance, a strong and stable internet connection is vital. Explore thousands of channels and watch all your favorites in 4K. Enjoy your upgraded viewing experience, and thank you for tuning in.